All right, welcome to lesson 1.5. Here's your objective. You'll be able to use graphs to represent problems involving ratios and rates. All right, so first off, we need to know some vocabulary and use a coordinate plane the right way. So I have some words here: origin, x-axis, y-axis, coordinate plane, and ordered pair. And actually, let's just start with the ordered pair because I have one right here. All right, the ordered pair is the two numbers you're using. One is represented by the x column, one is represented by the y, or x, I guess I would say x axis, y axis, not columns. Okay, so jumping in, we need to know what is the x axis and what is the y axis. Well, it even points to right here, there's always an x at the bottom. This is our x axis. All right, x axis is going horizontal. X is going this way, horizontally, side to side. Y axis, you can see the y up there. Y axis is going vertically. All right, so the x comes first, y comes second. So that's why at 5, 4, I have my x's, I do my x first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm right here right now. And then my y-axis is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is y. That mark is 5, 4. So you always do your x-axis first. The x comes first, so you count over to your x first. Y comes second, so you go up second. Or down. Remember, y is up and down because we'll get into other coordinate planes. You know, this is just the first one. There's a second, third, and fourth one. But right now we're in the positive zone. So that's all we're working with. All right, x first, y second. All right. Now, we've done our x-axis. We've done our y-axis. We have our ordered pair. The origin is just the starting point. Right here it is 0, 0. So that's our origin. And if I were to write that as an ordered pair, it would be 0x and 0y. Okay? And the last thing, this is just called a coordinate plane. So this is something you might want to take some notes on. You might want to pause the video and continue to write this. I would write this down and continue it after. Figure out or write down that the x and the y, the order at least that they are. Okay? All right, so let's do one together. Or this one is pretty much already done for us. All right, so we have some ratios going on right here in a rate. Let's see. Cost to create CDs. For every number of CDs, and notice how there's an X right there, it's going to cost you a certain amount of dollars, your Y. When you combine them, you get your ordered pair of X, Y. Okay, so one CD is going to cost $3 to make, so my ordered pair is 1, 3. And it's going to continue at the same rate, all right? It's a 3-to-1 rate. 2 CDs will cost $6, 3 CDs will cost $9, and I bet you know that 4 CDs would cost $12. So let's actually do that one. 4 CDs would cost $12, and I would write that ordered pair, my X first, 4, 12. And there's my Y. All right, so let's graph this. Well, it's already done for us. As you can see, X and Y, 1, 3 is first, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then I have 2, 6, X and Y. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I have 3, 9, X and Y. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the last one we made is going to go off the charts, but it's 4, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 would be about right here. And we can see that this is going at the same rate. It's going by following the same rate of a 3-to-1 rate for every one CD costs $3, so it can go on and on and on forever in that straight line. All right, now let's try one together. I might have to zoom in a little bit here because I want to fit a lot on the page. Here's the problem. Two friends are making scrapbooks. Joe places 4 photos on each of his pages. Nikki places 6 photos on each of her pages. Create a table for both people and then graph. Alright, so now we're blank here. We have to do it. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Let's see, how does that look? I think we can see that pretty well now. Okay, so let's have Joe make 1, 2, 3, and 4 pages, and Nikki have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. They're both going to have 4 pages. Going back to my information now. For every 1 page, Joe places 4 photos. So I'd have 4 photos total. And then I'd have 8 photos total. 12 and 16. All right? It's a 1-to-4 ratio. So pretty much to make my XY, I just copy it over. 1, 4, 2, 8, 3 for my X, 12 for my Y, then 4 for my X, and 16 for my Y. Let's graph Joe first. Alright, so I'm probably going to represent Joe with blue. I might need to get a different color for Nikki. So 1, 4. Now if you could see, these aren't exactly counting by 1s on this one. They're counting by 3. So 1, 4 would be about right there. Then 2, 8, about right there. 3, 12. That one's an easy one because it's right on the line. And then 4 and 16 would be about right here. Alright, so that's Joe. Let me get a different color for Nikki. Hopefully this red one works. No, it doesn't. Let me try a different one. Pink. Alright, pink will be Nikki. So Nikki does also 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so photos. For every 1 page, Nikki gets 6 photos. So 1 page would have 6 photos. Counting by 6s, 2 pages would have 12. 3 pages would have 18. And 4 pages would have 24. So my XY is pretty much done for me. I just have to put it in this coordinate form. So 1, 6. It's kind of hard to see this pink on there, I know. 2, 12. 3, 18. And 4, 24. So the purpose for doing this graph is we can really compare it now. So 1, 6, there's Nikki, she's got a little bit more than me. Then 2, 12, 3, 18, and 4 and 24. If I connect my dots here, I could see that Nikki is going at a much faster rate than myself. Okay? So she's going to have a lot more photos quicker as she continues her scrapbook. Alright? Now it's going to be your turn. So this is kind of, I could zoom in even more for you again. There's 2 friends are each saving money in their bank accounts. Marcus saves $10 each week, while David saves $15 each week. So the first step, you have 2 problems for me, an A and a B. A, make a table for each friend that shows the total amount saved for 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks. This has been started for you. Alright, your X is your weeks. Then, you know that Marcus saves $10 each week, so I'll even do the first one for you. Okay? And then David saves $15 a week. You might want to use 2 different colors, but you don't have to if you have it. Maybe 1 pencil, 1 pen. Okay, so then you can make your XY 1, 15, and then 1, 10. Gotta close my parentheses. Alright, then fill in the rest of your chart, and then you're going to graph the ordered pairs of each friend on the same coordinate plane. You can copy this coordinate plane right out, and then fill it in. Okay, and then you can compare them on the graph. I know you can do it. We'll see you soon.